Hi, my name is Ramsey, and back there is a wonderful porch that Nate and his team over at Can Roof Construction just finished building. Everybody that looks at it, first comment they say is that it fits the house. It was like it was built with the house. For that, it was just a concrete patio, and we love the work that they did. It's fantastic workmanship. We went to Nate because last year we had him do our den and he did an excellent job with that. And so we decided to go with him. His price was not the cheapest and it wasn't the most expensive either. It was just right. And we very much enjoyed working with him. No complaints whatsoever. Anytime we had a question or an issue, he was very responsive and addressed it very quickly. Now I'll take you on a short tour just to take a look at it. Okay, this is Ramsey again. So the porch is about 30 feet by 12 feet. So it's quite significant. This is from the side, and we intend to install some insect screens along the entire porch. My next segment is going to be interviewing some of our guests and to get their impressions. Nate's team also installed this patio door. We bought that separately from Anderson, but they did a great job installing it. They installed these sconces as well. So,
yeah,
what do you think of it now that it's all complete?
Very nice, very spacious.
Yeah.
Yeah.